Hey everybody, and welcome to a sneak peek of the March 2022 OpenBOM release. There's a lot coming in this release, but I really just want to point out two new features that I know you're going to love. First, how many times you open a bill of material and say to yourself, wow, I think I'm missing some data there, some information. Well, now, most often it's because you don't have the proper or any catalogs assigned. So now we have some UI here that gives you a hint about, especially if you have no catalogs assigned, you'll love this. So I say, oh, okay, I've got 2 catalogs assigned to this bill of material. It sounds like the right amount. So look for that new hint up there. Second thing, and I know everyone's going to love this one, is how often are you working on a large bill of material and you're way over here to the right working on revision or something. You kind of lose track of what part you're working on. Well, I know you're expecting this. We have freeze. Freeze the part number column, and now I can go work on large bills of material, and this I'll still be able to see what their part numbers are. So I hope you enjoy that. Look for these updates and many more coming out in a couple weeks. Of course, I always love your feedback at support@openbom.com. Thanks.